Ever tried to blur an image in Canva but failed? Yeah, I've been there too. But here is the good news. You can blur images in Canva using Canva free version. And most people have no idea how to do it properly. Hey, this is Sai from Digiwhisper, and in this video, I'll show you simple working methods to blur images in Canva for free. Step by step, no pro, no hacks, no confusion. So if you want clean designs, professional looking thumbnails or blurred backgrounds without paying a single dollar, let's jump right in. Now I'll show you how to add blur image in Canva. Let's say I want to add a blur effect in an image or any portion of an image. First, I want to add the image in my canvas. So this is my image, and let's say I want to blur some of the portion of this image. So let's say I want to blur this portion. How I can do this? First, click the edit button, and here you will see under the effect section you will find blur option. So click in the blur, and here there are two options. First option is whole image. I can blur whole image from here. So if you click here and increase the intensity, it will blur the whole image of your content or whole image. But if you click here in the brush button, you will have a brush for you. You can control your brush. Let's say you can increase your brush size or decrease your brush size and intensity of blur. So let's say I want to increase the intensity of the blur, and let's say I want to make the brush size like this. And let's say I want to blur this person's hand. So I am selecting the portion I want to blur, and it is just blurring. I can decrease the intensity, and let's say I want to blur this portion now. So this way you can blur any portion of your image using this blur feature in Canva. So it is very simple to blur any portion of your image in Canva. That's all for now. Make sure to check the pinned comment and video description for all the useful links and resources. And if you want more beginner-friendly Canva tutorials like this, subscribe to the Digiwhisper channel.